Another beautiful day dawns on the happiest farm. Time to make the most of this golden sun, sweetie.
Look! I found the lever. Look, Mom! I can build it super high! Just one more! Almost there!
Oh no! That tower is reaching for the clouds!
Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good!
Crash! The hay tower tumbles down.
My beautiful tower. It's all gone.
Sweetie, we build pyramids, not skyscrapers. Teamwork makes the best hay castles. Woof! Help? Lost Dog, always finding a way to contribute.
Looks like we've got a structural integrity issue. We need a strong foundation, like this. Every bale has its place in the grand design.
A little moisture keeps things together.
Patience and care, that's the secret. Breaking news! Hay tower collapse turns into teamwork triumph.
Look at this incredible teamwork, folks! One bale at a time, just like Mom said. A new pyramid rises, strong and true. Time for the heavy lifting, team! Careful and steady, that's the way. A masterpiece of teamwork against the golden sky.
It's even better than before!
Strong foundations withstand any challenge.
Look at this little guy, totally tuckered out after helping with the harvest.
And that, folks, is how a team builds a dream.
Every challenge teaches us something new.
Crash today, castle tomorrow. Time for our favorite reward. The sweet taste of a day well spent.
My favorite strawberry pineapple surprise!
Absolutely delicious.
Mom, I learned so much today.
That's what farm life is all about, sweetie.
To strong foundations and even stronger friendships.
Cheers to learning and growing together.
And that's a wrap on our Hay Tower adventure!
From a crash, a castle grew, and a lesson bloomed.
Every challenge is a chance to build something better. And the farm wakes to a new, brighter day. A new day brings new opportunities, sweetie.
What adventures will we find today, Mom? Ready to work hard and learn even more. Playtime?
First, we gather some delicious berries. The sweet rewards of hard work and friendship. Perfectly ripe and oh so sweet.
Keeping everything running smoothly, as always. Good to see those two enjoying their harvest. Every little detail matters for a thriving farm. Nature's symphony, helping life grow.
Even the smallest creatures thrive on this farm.
Good morning, Internet! Another perfect farm day! Look at our incredible harvesters in action!
Our basket is almost overflowing, Lost Dog. What a magnificent harvest, my little helpers! You've both worked so very hard today.
A farm family, united by work, strengthened by love.
Time for a well-deserved breakfast feast.
A moment of calm before the next adventure. It's always good to appreciate the quiet moments.
Nothing beats a good brew after a morning's work.
Just perfect. Strong and steady.
And for today's breakfast special, oops,
Tret?
here, Squirrel, have a whole one.
This is 5-star deliciousness!
The simple joys of a shared meal, a shared life.
My little builder, growing stronger every day.
I love our farm, Mom, and our team.
And I love you, my sweetie pie. A lesson learned, a bond strengthened, a family thriving. The day continues, full of peaceful work.
Want to play?
All right, little guy, just 5 minutes. Go get it, champion!
Got it!
Every sprout is a promise of tomorrow.
Can I help water, gentle turtle?
Slow and steady, just enough for each one. Witnessing the magic of growth. Live.
You life emerges, strong and vibrant.
The fruits of labor, tended with love and care. Everything looks wonderful, team! The farm, a canvas of endless stories.
Keeping us on the right track, always.
Every turn brings a new perspective. Time to appreciate our masterpiece. Built with care, built with teamwork. Our amazing hay castle, Mom!
A symbol of strength, built from a stumble. From a crash, a castle. From a lesson, a legacy.
The farm sleeps, dreams of tomorrow's growth. Each day, a new chapter written. Warmth and love, a beacon in the night.
I land on your hay bale square.
My hay bale castle is safe tonight. You've built something wonderful, sweetie.
Strategy and patience win the long game. My turn? A good game teaches us much about life. And friendship is the greatest prize.
Together, they build, they learn, they grow. Wishing upon a star for all the tomorrows. Infinite possibilities, just beyond reach. And the farm sleeps, dreaming of new adventures. Every dawn, a fresh start, a brand new chance. Another beautiful day, waiting to be lived.
Our castle, always standing strong.
New day, new plans for our farm.
Forever the Hay Tower Castle.
A symbol of what we can achieve together.
No challenge too great for this crew.
Woof! Best team ever. Group photo. Say strawberry smoothies.
Strawberry smoothies.
From every crash, a castle is born.
The end of one story, the beginning of many more.